Hi guys, this is EQG35 Security. Today I will show you how to use VIPRERescue for remove the ransomware on Windows 10. In this video, we will check Windows 10 if have any issues ransomware on the C disk, files, and the registry. So let's get started. First of all, we have to visit this website, VIPRERescue.com. VIPRERescue virus removal tool. Now this website gives you the solutions for remove the viruses, ransomware, trojans, or any target threat by virus. We can use it for remove the viruses. We're gonna use this tool. So this is the instructions. Before you download, after reading these instructions for understanding, put the computer in safe mode. Press F8 when the computer starts up to boot. When the boot screen appears, using the down arrow to highlight the selection. This is only using for safe mode. You can only use to directly without safe mode, or safe mode if you wanted to use. If you don't like use safe mode always, but if you wanted to use safe mode for recover your system, after to press F8 you have to choose safe mode, and after safe mode you have to go to my computer is C. After C disk, you have to just look at the VIPRERescue file, and you have to click the scan. I will show you how to do that, but it is for example if you wanted to do that. 2. Download the VIPRERescue application. You can use a different computer to do this if you need it. If you needed to use this way, you can use it directly on the USB. In this 3, save it to a USB drive. Other portal media. 4. Run the file. 5. Click to extract the VIPRERescue. 6. Click unsub, and after that 7. Sit back and allow Viper to clean your machine or PC, laptop, any device you wanted to do it with, any device, computer, any laptops. So this is the instructions. After that, read the instructions. You have to click download now. After that download, you get this icon. So we go ahead to the first step. If you wanted to use safe mode, you have just copy this command in open start menu, type cmd, right click, run as an admin installatory, click yes, and do it copy paste, and click enter. After to see this is the operation complete successfully, you can use it the safe mode directly. Now this is the simple you want to do. Now for extract the file, there is 2 kinds you wanted to extract it. First, if you wanted to use on the PC directly by safe mode or without safe mode, just click directly this icon, click yes, and click again yes. Now this is for example. Just click browser. If you want to use USB flash drive, you have just use it as a USB flash drive directly, and after that automatically it's running. But I go ahead to choose in C only. Click unsub. So this is unsub, will be take your time. For a USB flash drive, just run this icon. Make sure your USB drive it is formatted already for any using computer. So this is what gonna do today. Click yes. Click yes again. Now the target USB flash drive. Click my computer and select a USB flash drive and click OK and click unzip. After unzip, the files will be already extracted directly over here. For running VIPRERescue scanner, just click directly VIPRERescue scanner and click yes. Directly will be going to open. Sometimes it is show error, but you can just using this way because I'm already running on my USB flash drive. Now after unzip successfully, just click OK. It is directly now go ahead to scanning. It will be taken about 1/2 hour or 2 hours. Better way to do this scanning, just install directly on Windows or USB drive. For running using CMD, so you scan running directly. So this is the local file C VIPRERescue scanner.exe. Will be take 2 hours or 1/2 hour. I will back. Now after scanning, scan completed. Okay, there is scan time. It has taken me 57 and 29 seconds. It is 57 minutes 29 seconds. That is only take if the file is bigger or not bigger. So this is the result scanning. No threats, tracks detected. There is nothing happen. So there is no virus, no ransomware. If it's red, that means there is find something ransomware, trojans, anything else. So this is files, registry, totally nothing happening, no rootkits. So well, there is no threats, which means everything is normally. If it's red, that means automatically remove it. It is bigger file, take me 57 minutes and 29 seconds. Just press any key to continue and automatically close it. And this is it. This VIPRERescue you can install directly on USB flash drive. About my USB flash drive, I check again. That was some files already scanning or not really installed good. So if I click directly over the file, excuse me, some errors. Sometimes it is closed, sometimes it doesn't want. You can reinstall again. This is file on USB. All you have to need just format on USB flash drive. After format USB flash drive, just only click this icon again to open. Click yes. Choosing the USB flash drive, unzip. It's taken a few times. Now this is where you can use it in another else computer, another else laptop. You can scan it or keep the backup. You can keep this icon if it's something happening like backup with you. You can use it in any computer, so it is better for you. So this is your scanning file. It is just only you can find it if you write in here list my PC. You get it local disk C over here, and this is the file. This is the file. Keep it. Any ransomware, rootkit, viruses, quarantine. If the files it is already installed by download, or it is just trojans or any files, hidden viruses, going to keep it here, and he's changed some few little files and make him encrypt, cannot be opened again. You can read it what's the name of files, but you cannot run it again, I think. So okay, this is the file VIPRERescue scanner. You can run it again and it wasn't for scanning, but I've done this before. So yeah, it is very important to doing this, but I'm finished this scanning before. So not need to do this again, so exit. Alright. It is same with my USB flash drive. When you install it, USB flash drive, you can use it again. So this is the USB flash drive. Is already installed. Here's some disk. Over here, it is running. So you can use it like emergency. So I'll close it. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is QJ35 Security. Like and subscribe and share this video. And I hope I will make another else video. Thank you. I'll see you later.